Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome back to Ankinash Creations. So today's video, it's a beautiful bright sunny day here in Dublin and I'm in my studio, a super duper messy studio. So it's my home studio and I thought I should take you in my studio for a day, like spend a day with me in my studio. So let's get started. So I am working on multiple projects or paintings right now. Sometimes I paint something just to finish the leftover paint. This angle is not good. Wait, this is better. So yeah, I have so many things going on right now. One painting is lying there on the floor with the base which is drying. Another one is on my back. One is here which I need to varnish, and one I'm working on here. I am having a little bit of a sprain here at my back, so I'm not sure. I'm not able to like work sitting like this for a long time. So maybe we'll work on this piece a little bit and then maybe I'll clean up a little bit. So I am currently working for my coming up pop-up shop. So I've rented a shop here in Dublin for a week. So I'm working for that. I'll be displaying all of my works, my artworks, my handmade items and prints and everything, my bags and everything. So I'm excited for that. Okay, let's start working with this one first. I got a parcel and it's very exciting. I have ordered some prints of my paintings as greeting cards and also as just normal prints like A5 size of one of my painting. So let's open it. Let's open this. I'm so excited. So this is like first greeting card. I have printed this greeting cards before. So, but this one, this is the first time I'm printing this painting's greeting card. And the most exciting part, so this painting, I call it the Eternal Love, and I painted this painting in 2019 for a commission order. And at that time, I have never thought that I'll do prints and I'll reach so far in my artistic journey that I'm creating prints. So, and actually in my last event, one lady bought this Eternal Love print, another print. It was a poster print because I was just starting. When I printed that, I was just starting to get prints. And then I got an idea because I love that painting. Then I got an idea I should print this in A5 sizes so that it is easier to gift and frame. So let me show you. Oh my god, they are so pretty. Can't wait to take it out and check. But the plastic कितना गंदा cover. पता नहीं क्या लगा हुआ है. Wow, look it on the back. is my logo. मैं कैमरा को फ्रंट कैमरा से हटा के दिखाती हूँ. Wow, ये gap I have kept to sign it and to number my prints. Oh my god, I love it. I kind of want a frame and put one of it somewhere in my studio. I love it. Yay! Now I'll carefully store them somewhere here for now, making some space because it is so messy. My studio is so messy right now, and now I have to do so many things. I have to prepare for the workshop which I'm conducting this Saturday. So yeah, let's get started. So happy with the prints which I got, and now I've kept it just in the corner. I've not stored them in a nice way. I'll do a quick cleanup now of my desk because I don't have any space to work here. Look at here. No space. So let's do a quick cleanup, little bit, and then I'll have to do some payments. It's what time it is right now? 11:48 in the morning, and then then I'll catch up what next I'm doing. Done with the laptop work. Now it's 12:15, so I'm thinking I'll take a lunch break and then continue. Okay, see you. So after my lunch, I went into our backyard to spend some time with our plants. I love doing it after the lunch. Yeah, so these are the strawberries. They will grow once the flower petals will shed. The strawberries will start growing. These are blackberry flowers. So again, the blackberries would grow once the flowers have shed their petals. So beautiful, isn't it? Such pretty pink color. And this is the cherry plant, few flowers which we have hanged on our garden cabin. They're so pretty when the sun is shining. They all look so beautiful. And this is our plum tree. Hello, hello. So I'm back after my lunch break. लंच के बाद I went into the backyard. थोड़ा सा plants के साथ उनको देखने के लिए I like that time. And now I'm back in my studio. It's around 1:40 p.m. and I think मैं सोच रही हूँ मैं नेक्स्ट क्या करूँ. बहुत सारी चीज़ें बट मैं सोच रही हूँ उनमें से क्या करूँ नेक्स्ट. मुझे ये पेंटिंग मैंने फ्लोरल लैंड लाइक फ्लावरी लैंड वाली बनाई थी जिसमें बीच में छोटे छोटे पानी के स्ट्रीम्स भी है. So I'm thinking to add something in this painting. वो मुझे करना है. Next, I want to sign my big artwork, which I finished. मैंने ये painting काफ़ी टाइम पहले बनाई थी, and it was just an abstract painting जो मैं walk करके आई थी, and I just started painting whatever I felt. And somehow I was feeling that this painting was not complete where I left it before. So I kind of added some touch-ups to it yesterday. Let me show you the painting. I'll turn on the back camera because नहीं तो पूरी painting उल्टी दिखती है. This is the painting. I call it the power of sun. So I need to sign it. That's the only thing. Let me know how do you like it. I'll have to sign this painting that's another thing. And then I have to varnish this one. This is complete. uh, I have to varnish that. So let's sign it first क्योंकि वो सबसे easy है और जल्दी काम हो जाएगा. So done with the signing of that painting. I also took some pictures outside because the weather was so nice. So I thought it's a good idea to take the pictures of the painting, and I updated the website. Now we'll start working on this painting. I'm thinking, so this was just an experiment piece, like abstract floral landscape. I like making abstract floral landscape, and I'm still learning. The best thing about the abstract art is you don't have to think, you don't have to make a plan or something before starting the artwork, and you can't replicate the artwork. That's another best thing. I'll show you one more floral landscape which I painted with the leftover paints. So yeah, I'm thinking to add some bees, honeybees on this painting. Let's see how it goes. Finished painting the bees. बहुत टाइम लग गया यार. 4 बजने वाले हैं. Look at my cute little bees. I love it. I like it so much. And while I was painting the bees, I got the name of the painting. Bees Dream World, something like that. It's looking bit of dark on the camera. I don't know why. It's more brighter in real. I'm going to leave this painting here. I'm not sure as of now if I'm finished with this. That's what I do with my paintings. If I'm not sure, I'll leave it at that stage, and I keep looking at it once in a while for a few days, and then I'll decide if it is complete or not, and then I'll sign the painting. As of now, it looks like this. Yeah, now the colors look, I'm not sure how it's looking, but they are quite bright, and I'm liking the bees in it, and I think after framing it will look very good. So yeah, now I'll clean up this mess and think what to do next. So I have this wooden hanging thing which I've painted in a mint green background. I don't know what to paint on it yet, but I have few ideas. I was thinking to paint like a flower field here, or yes, I think flower field. Yeah, that would look good. So I might do this next. So after painting this base, I let this dry for that day, and after few days I actually painted the flower field on this wooden thing, and I'll just insert that clip which I filmed for my Instagram. So follow me on Instagram if you want to see live updates. So this is how that flower field
looked like after painting. So after that, I decided I'll write the name of the painting on these prints and I'll sign them. And I did to all of these prints which I just received. And then I called it off for the day. I did not do anything in my studio after that, just did a little bit of cleanup, and it was evening, family time, and dinner time. I hope you all liked this video. Let me know if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative.